What's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable touchpad gestures in Windows 10. So go to your start menu, click on settings, go to devices, then touchpad. Under touchpad sensitivity, set it to medium. Enable all these 6 boxes. Then scrolling direction, keep it as down motion scrolls up. Swipes, switch apps and show desktop. So I swipe up, it shows multitasking view. If I swipe down, it shows my desktop. If I do this, it switches apps just like that. And then if I tap on my touchpad with 3 fingers, it launches Windows Search. So the 4 finger gestures can change audio and volume. If I swipe up, my volume changes. If I swipe down, my volume also changes. If I swipe like this and this to the left and right, it will be previous and next track. Taps, you can leave it whatever you want. And the default is action center. So if I take 4 fingers, it opens the action center. You can also reset your touchpad if you don't want these gestures. So that's it for this video. Like and share if you learned something new, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.